Hey guys, welcome back to the 13-week sneak peek of Home Diagnosis Season 2. We're coming to you from the PBS National Conference right now, where our show is going to be distributed.
And, and we're, what?
Do you want me to just start again?
Sure, yeah.
Okay. Welcome back to the 13-week sneak peek for Home Diagnosis Season 2. We're going to talk about Ep.7 in just a second. We're coming to you now from the PBS National Conference in Nashville.
With PBS, with public radio, you guys all know there's always membership drives, there's always pledges. Well, this is actually our membership drive, and you can become a member of Home Diagnosis TV. Actively put your dollars towards this show at patreon.com/homediagnosistv. The dirty little secret is no PBS station actually pays any of the content creators, even though content is what drives their donations.
Right.
So it's a bit of a weird world, but it's also one that lets us tell the stories we want to tell.
Yes. So Episode 7 is going to be all about cooking and cleaning, and it's called Slow Burn. So we're going to be talking a lot about the home chem experiment. If you didn't follow that, we created 36 episodes of a video series that go into the chemistry of the indoor environment.
Yeah, and the question that we're really going to be answering is, why is cooking and cleaning important to my health, my indoor environment?
What does that have to do with home performance? I thought if we just built a perfect house, everything is fine.
Right?
Not so,
Yeah.
it turns out. So please do tune in at patreon.com/homediagnosistv to find out more.
And over at patreon.com, you're going to learn a little insight into a big decision I had to make about cooking and cleaning. But if you're not familiar with our show, enjoy this next little bit.
Hi, I'm Corbett.
And I'm Grace.
Since we met, we've been partners in everything.
In work, in life, and in love.
Fast forward to now, we've created careers in home testing, building science.
And started a family.
We also built the Tiny Lab.
To get people thinking about their home's problems dynamically.
We use scientific testing to diagnose a house's problems.
Because more than comfort, energy, or safety, it's about gaining control of your home.
And with 2 cats, 2 kids, and 200 square feet.
We know this intimately.